Day 1, trying to lure the birds to the table. I placed bird food in a plate and set the table for tea. Why not? I waited patiently. I think the tea time set was not a brilliant idea. Ah, there comes a curious one. Poof, this cutie was not trusting my table setting. Enjoying my coffee and waiting to get the perfect shot. But clearly I was waiting in vain. Oh wait, but why isn't this bird on the table? And what is it eating? 2 is a crowd. It's raining and no birds showed up on the table for tea time. Tomorrow is another day.